Hi everyone! So this is probably not the best choice of shirt. I am wearing a shirt. But anyway, grab your nice coffees. What am I saying? I don't even drink coffee. Have a nice herbal tea. And I just took a bunch of notes on basically my whole first month experience on Tretinoin. So this is the full month update. Okay, so basically the first week of my Tretinoin, I was pretty much applying it like every single day. And I got a lot of comments actually asking how I get my Tretinoin, because a lot of people, they say it's like hard to get, or maybe some people get their stuff online without a prescription. But literally all I did was just walk into a walk-in clinic. It's so easy. Just ask, you shall receive. Basically, in conclusion, I got my Tretinoin within like 3 hours of waiting or something that like same day. And the doctor said that she wanted to just like straight up prescribe me the strongest one, which is 0.1%. I knew coming into it was like it's going to be intense because I already did research prior, but I was like, you know what, we're just gonna go all out because why not? But also the good thing is about this type of Tretinoin, it is the micro version. So basically what a micro gel is, micro Tretinoin, it's pretty much the exact same effects as same, I guess, payo as regular Tretinoin. But the big difference between micro and the original just Tretinoin, plain Tretinoin, is how the Tretinoin is delivered to your skin. So basically the micro version delivers the Tretinoin more slowly over time, progressively. So with that being said, it's actually less irritating than the original if you don't get micro, right? So maybe that's why she prescribed me the full 0.1%, because micro, again, it will deliver it more slowly, so you might get delayed, I guess, effects or dryness, etc. So basically how I applied it. So how I applied it during the first week, and mind you, I was applying it like every single day. So when I started applying it, I would always wet my face beforehand, because if you wet your face before you apply the Tretinoin or wet retin-A, it actually penetrates even deeper into the epidermis, which I wanted. So I was like hardcore that week. So not only I was penetrating it by wetting my skin first, so that's like the most fullest effects, but also I was doing it every single night. So I was like, oh my god, looking back, I don't know how my skin was not suffering, because for some reason I took that very well. My skin did peel that week, but not as dramatically as I would have expected. Like, for example, I've done so much research before trying this thing. What I've seen on other people's experiences, yeah, they like experience super bad purging, so much irritation. So again, maybe it's because I'm using the micro and it is easier on my skin. I was just shocked again how my skin was taking it so darn well. So basically I only peeled probably twice that week, and it was super mild every single time, and I made sure I moisturized my face like so hard. So I used the Function of Beauty cream, and then I also use like Cermetics, like super thick moisturizers. Even Eucerin, that's like a pretty good brand for just super extremely dry skin, so that like literally takes care of everything. Even face oils really help at that time. They really helped me, but also it depends what face oil you do use with Tretinoin, because some face oils can actually be more irritating and not absorbent than others. So you really find out what is a good face oil if you are on Tretinoin and what actually penetrates the deepest. Like, as soon as the peeling started, I basically figured out like the best way. I mean, you should be doing this every day, whether you are on this or not. Always be patting in product, never rub. So tapping, patting, this will basically prevent irritation or sensitivity to the skin. And also, I would assume penetrating the product in to its fullest. If you are patting it in, pushing it in more, who knows? Always be patting upward. Our pores are actually facing down, so that's probably a really good thing to do. So yes, patting in your product all the time, no matter what. You really definitely learn that very quickly just on your own when you are starting this thing. Moving on to the second week and third week, I'm gonna include those both at the same time, because honestly both of them were pretty much the same. So basically the second week, again, I only applied Tretinoin on the Sunday, and that whole week I never experienced any dryness, although around my mouth I was experiencing some breakouts, so I'm not sure if it was purging or, again, I was on my period that week. I just started, so that could also be it. So I really don't know where that acne came from around, but I mean, it's gone now. So that was pretty temporary. So the second week was very good, smooth sailing. And then the third week, like the same Sunday, I applied Tretinoin again the third week, and again that whole week, the third week, I did not peel at all. I did not feel any dryness. The second and third week were literally the same. Yeah, my skin was pretty much reacting normally. I did, again, no redness, no dryness, no irritation, no peeling, and no sensitivity. So with that being said, I was like, okay, the 4th week, I'm gonna just up it again, but instead of doing it every single day like I did the 1st week, we're gonna just go baby steps, and I decided to apply it twice a week. So now, from now on, I guess, I'm gonna be applying it every Sunday and Wednesday. So yes, that 4th week, I have applied it on Sunday and Wednesday. So there's some clips in here I can do some updates on. I will enter it right now. Okay, so it is February 24th, Wednesday. So we're going to be applying Tretinoin again today. We're going to be, again, wetting our face, since, again, Tretinoin is going to absorb way deeper. I literally have been getting no irritation whatsoever, which is so amazing. So we're just going in, because yeah, I'm literally not irritating at all with this stuff. So yeah, I'm very happy about that. It is February 26th, Friday. So yesterday I experienced some dryness. There's like no flaking whatsoever, but then this morning I kind of woke up, there's like a bit of flaking, but honestly that like kind of quickly went away ever since I just keep moisturizing. So again, my skin has been handling this Tretinoin very well. I think we're gonna keep it at just twice a week. I don't want to risk any more than that. And then basically going on to today, well, it is Sunday. I'm supposed to be posting today. I still have my candy cane background. I don't know why. I still am in the Christmas spirit, apparently. I forgot. But yeah, it's the 28th. Oh gosh, last day of February. We gotta do some spring cleaning, I guess, tomorrow. Oh my god. Spring clean your skincare, in conclusion. But basically, this is the 4th and final day of the 4th week. So this is what my skin is looking like now. So I'm gonna take some, oh my gosh, I have some peach fuzz. I gotta shave my peach fuzz. But yeah, basically this is what my skin is looking like now. I'm gonna take some before and after pictures and obviously compare them at the end. But yeah, in conclusion, this is what my skin is looking like. I am experiencing some dryness though. It's weird because this dryness is like coming from underneath the skin, like it's not on top. So it's so weird because it's like when I smile or when I express or whatever, again, it doesn't feel dry on my skin at all. Starting a few days ago, that's when my dryness started to kick in. But yeah, it was underneath the skin, and I'm still experiencing kind of dryness underneath the skin. So this is like the weirdest sensation I've ever had ever since starting Tretinoin. That's the only thing. Oh, this is very interesting, but I have not peeled at all the 4th week. We're gonna continue with this, and I'll probably do another month update, and I'll let you know if I'm still gonna be doing it twice a week. Most likely I will, because my skin finally is starting to feel dry again, because it never did the 2nd or 3rd week. It felt normal, so I was like, okay, I don't feel like anything's working. So twice a week I'm starting to feel slowly but surely that dryness, which I am wanting, which I never thought I would say that I would want dry skin. But in this case, if you're using Tretinoin, you do want it to a degree, because then that shows that, you know, the process is going to be, you know, it's moving, everything's moving. So with that being said, that is my update of the Tretinoin. And again, like always, subscribe. I'm trying to up my editing as well. So yes, anyway, check all the links in the description below, and lots of virtual kisses and hugs, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, I love you all so much. Peace.